The Osmo Pocket 3 wasn't just another camera. It was the daily driver for vloggers, YouTubers, and travel creators everywhere. Compact, powerful, reliable. Smooth gimbal-stabilized footage in 4K, no bulky rigs, no extra setup. Just grab and shoot. But now, there's something even bigger on the horizon. Title sequence 030-040. Visual, logo animation, Osmo Pocket 4, the evolution of pocket filmmaking. Voiceover. Say hello to the Osmo Pocket 4. And no, this isn't just an upgrade. It might just redefine what a handheld camera can be. Section 1. Hasselblad collaboration 0x41 1/20. Visual, Hasselblad lens visuals, Mavic drone footage, studio color grading scenes. Voiceover. The biggest buzz? A rumored Hasselblad collaboration. That's right, DJI is reportedly bringing Hasselblad's legendary image science into a device that fits in your palm. We're talking about studio-grade color, razor-sharp lenses, and next-level detail, all in your pocket. Section 2. The sensor. 121-2 SAO. Visual, sensor animation, low-light shots, split screen before-after comparisons. Voiceover. The Pocket 4 is expected to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a massive leap from previous models. More light, more depth, more detail. Low-light footage becomes cinematic, dynamic range improves, and your image just pops, whether you're indoors, at sunset, or shooting under streetlights. Section 3. The lens. 201-230. Visual, vloggers capturing scenic backdrops, wide-angle compositions. Voiceover. Pair that sensor with a 20mm wide-angle lens and you've got the perfect setup for vlogging, landscapes, or group shots. It's immersive, not distorted. Sharp, not cropped. Everything you need in frame without sacrificing quality. Section 4. New processor and real-time HDR 231-320. Visual, HDR previews, editing timeline, fast file transfers. Voiceover. A brand new processor powers the Osmo Pocket 4, and it changes everything. Real-time HDR previews let you see your footage exactly as it will look, live on screen, no guessing, no reshoots. And thanks to smarter video compression, your files are smaller, but the quality? Still top tier. Section 5. Intelligent tools. 321-410. Visual, auto exposure and changing light, real-time color adjustment demos. Voiceover. More power means smarter shooting. The Osmo Pocket 4 could analyze scenes in real time, adjusting exposure, white balance, and contrast as you shoot. Add in Hasselblad's color science, and your footage is practically post-production ready, straight out of camera. Section 6. Autofocus and eye tracking. 411-450. Visual, solo creator walking, autofocus locking on face perfectly. Voiceover. Blurred shots. Not anymore. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to include phase detection autofocus with eye tracking, locking onto faces and keeping them sharp, even when you're on the move. Perfect for solo vloggers. No camera crew required. Section 7. Active Track 7.0. 451-5-20. Visual, jogger being tracked smoothly, tight turns, camera adjusting live. Voiceover. And then there's Active Track 7.0, DJI's smartest. Subject tracking yet. It doesn't just follow you. It understands how you move, walk, run, or cycle. The camera predicts, adapts, and keeps you perfectly framed, all in real time. Section 8. Form factor and gimbal, 521-550. Visual, Pocket 4. Silhouette in hand, mock-up UI, comparison with smartphone shooting. Voiceover. Despite all these upgrades, DJI's keeping the vertical, pocket-friendly design. Why mess? With success? It's still easy to carry, easy to hold, and always ready to shoot. And yes, it features a mechanical 3-axis gimbal, not digital tricks, real stabilization, no cropping, no compromise. Section 9. Software and Companion App, 551-630. Visual, app editing clips, AI-generated templates, wireless file transfer animation. Voiceover. DJI's companion app is getting smarter too. Expect AI-powered editing, on-device, effects, and faster wireless transfers. Shoot, edit, upload, all within minutes. It's your production studio in your pocket. Section 10. Price and Competition, 631-710. Visual. Side by side with Insta360 Ace Pro 2, Osmo Pocket 3. Pricing animation. Voiceover. While nothing's confirmed yet, early signs suggest a price tag slightly higher than the Pocket 3's $799. But when you factor in Hasselblad tech, a 1-inch sensor, new autofocus, and ActiveTrack 7.0, it could still be the best value compact camera on the market. And yes, the competition, like Insta360's Ace Pro 2, better watch out. Closing, 7/11/745. Visual, cinematic montage of Osmo Pocket 4 in different shooting scenarios, hiking, vlogging, urban, nighttime. Voiceover. The Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just a new version, it's a statement. It's designed for creators who want quality, speed, and mobility in one elegant package. Whether you're a YouTuber, a TikToker, a travel filmmaker, or someone chasing stories on the fly, this camera was made for you.